There it is. Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is the one and only Coby, your boy, coming at you with another vlog. That's right, another vlog. Now, today's topic is the bars on Virgin Voyages. Now, Virgin Voyages have about 15 bars spread across 17 decks. Now, I personally have not tried all 15 bars, but you know what? One day I am. Now, I am going to talk about a few of the bars, so this is not going to be a long video. But now, one of the bars I want to mention would be the Social Club. The Social Club. That bar, OMG, got a nice atmosphere. You talking about nice casual atmosphere where you can mingle, meet different people, and have a variety of drinks. That's the Social Club. When I tell you I enjoy it myself, I enjoy meeting people, talking, laughing, having a good time, and also the atmosphere. Did I mention a variety of drinks? Now, I was trying different drinks. Loved it. Now, another bar would be the Dock House. Now, the Dock House is located at the end. Well, not the end, but the back of the ship. And when I tell you, there is the waves. You sipping on your cocktails and looking at those waves. And if you go out there at the right time, seeing that sun hit them waves, awesome. Awesome. While I was sipping on them cocktails, I was also eating a little food too as well. I mean, have to have something to soak up the alcohol. And there it is. Now, another one that I enjoyed was On the Rocks. And Gym and Tonic was another one, and that's located near the gym. Also, the Grounds Club and the Manor. While I was visiting the Manor, OMG, I kept on going back and forth to that bar. The Manor bar was on the off the chain. We'll just say off the chain. You know what I'm saying? It was hidden. Love it. Now, there is one that's called the Extra Virgin Wine Bar. Extra Virgin Wine Bar. That is located, guess where? Inside an Extra Virgin restaurant. I had some of their wine, and that was nice. It was good. And another one was the Red Bar, and that was located inside a Razzle Dazzle. Those was just a few of the bars that I wanted to mention and talk briefly about. Like I said, it's not all 15 bars because I did not go to all 15 bars, but I plan on giving that a try. So, what bars have you went to on Virgin Voyages? Let me know. Put it down there in the comment and like and subscribe. Once again, this is Coby coming at you with another vlog dealing with Virgin Voyager. So until then, there it is. Solo Sail Away.